Hi everyone, in this video lesson I'll show you how to verify IP version 4 and IP version 6 addressing in Packet Tracer. So we just have to take a look for our topology, and we have to take a look for our table. So in this task we don't have to make any configurations, we just only need to verify that we have these IP addresses which are already configured on this equipment, so that we can see router 1 device which is placed right here, and it has the interface gigabit 00 port. So it's interface gigabit 00 which has IP address of IP version 4 and IP version 6 address. So where we can understand which port is gigabit 00, so first of all we can take a look for this cable type. It is Ethernet cable, so that is why this is gigabit, but from where we can now understand that this is exactly gigabit 00 interface, you can go to options and then preferences, and here we have always show port labels in logical workspace, so that you can understand that this is gigabit 0. Actually it's not seen so very well, and in this laboratory work moving of equipment is restricted for us, so that is why it's not so suitable way how you can see your ports. And also we have here show port labels when mouse over in logical's workspace, and when we bring mouse over this cable, actually we have to see what kind of port it is, what kind of interface it is. And in our task we have to do these things. First part, complete the addressing table documentation. So we have to be sure that our PC1 has an IP address. How we can understand it? So let's take a look for this table. It seems like we don't see any IP address here in this table, so that we have to just verify that we have an IP address. So we can do it actually by using just by clicking to PC and then desktop, and then we can go to IP configuration. Actually we can see it from here, but they ask us to do it from the command prompt, like in CMD. So you have to go to the command prompt and you have to type the command IP config all. How? So here we have to place space, and which is showing us all IP configurations on this computer, including IP version 4 address, including physical address. Physical address means that the MAC address of this computer. And also we have here link local IP version 6 address. Here we have our IP address which is assigned to computer, and here is the subnet mask which is defining the prefix and the file gateway. So DNS and DHCP servers are not defined in this example. This is how we can verify that the computer has an IP address, so that I can just copy this, or just let me open the notepad. And let me write to myself that PC1 has an IP address like 10, 10, 1 and 100 with the subnet mask 255, 255, 255 and 224. Alright, so let's do it in this way. And let me now define what is the IP address of PC2. So I'll do it in the same way, going to the command prompt and typing the command IP config all, which is showing me that my PC2 has an IP address 10, 10, 1 and 20 with subnet mask, which you see on the screen. Well, and now we can we understand that we have IP addresses of IP version 4 on PC1 and on PC2, and now we can make a ping test. So ping is such kind of tool which is called the echo request, so that if I'll type the command from PC1 ping and IP address of computer 2, I think that I made a mistake, so it has to be 20, or let's take a look, guys. Yeah, 20. And let me check my first computer's IP address. It is 100. Yeah. And now we can make ping from PC1 to PC2. And let's wait for the answer. Okay, we lost first packet due to that fact that we had the ARP protocol in use, but we didn't see it, and you still don't know what is the ARP, so that is why we can just skip this first packet, and we have our 3 packages which are delivered successfully. So if we will make ping one more time, now all packages are delivered successfully. And also we can go to the simulation mode, and from simulation we'll just select only an ICMP packages which are responsible for the transport the ping signals. Okay, so that let me first of all delete my previous simulation, and now I'll make the new simulation. I am in simulation mode, and I made up filtration of the protocols only. So let's take a look only which protocol, an ICMP protocol. So I can close this simulation panel, but I'm still in simulation mode. And now let me make ping one more time. So when I make ping, you can see that the packet is generated, so that here we have the button capture and forward. So ping goes to one side and then reply comes. So when reply received by our sender, we can see that the packet is delivered. So the ping is used to make an echo request, like PC1 is able to ask from PC2, can you hear me? And PC2 gives reply that yes. And now let's make, so let me don't close this notepad. And now what we have to do, we'll delete this simulation, and it's time to verify that we have IP version 6 address on our computer. So how we can do it? On PC1 we are typing the command IP version 6 config all, so that we can find out here that our IP address is looking like this. Okay, let's copy it and let's paste it in our notepad, and then let's go and find out the IP version 6 address of PC2. IP config IP version 6 config all, and here is the IP address of IP of the second computer. So you cannot copy it with Ctrl+C, so just you need to do it with the help of the right button of your mouse, so that now we can make ping from IP from computer 1 to PC2. So let's take a look. Do we have to change anything in the syntax when we are making this ping? So there is no changes. So let's do it with the help of our notepad. From PC1 we are making ping to PC2 by IP version 6 protocol. Ping, and then we type this command 2001 GB8 14 double column and A. And let's take a look what will be happening, but nothing will be happening due to that fact that we are in simulation mode and we don't click to this button. So let's take a look from the real time. First of all, it's working and the packages are, you see, successfully delivered. And now if we'll go to the simulation mode, and it will make the same. Oh, nothing is happening due to that fact that we have to make filtration by protocols, and we have to define our protocol, which is in IP version 6 ICMP for IP version 6. And then we'll try to make ping one more time, and now you see that the packet is traveling. And this packet, if you'll catch this packet, you may find out that this is IP version 6 packet with the source IP and destination IP. Also, you can make the check of the pass. You can take a look for the full pass from PC1 to PC2 by using the command which is called tracert. So that tracert from PC1 to let's say that we will make trace route by using IP version 4. So it's gonna be like 1 and 20. And now you can see the pass from PC1 till PC2, and these IP addresses belong to routers. So like first your ping goes to router 1, your trace route goes to router 1, and router 1 gives reply from itself. And as you see here, this is an IP address of our router's interface gigabit 0, and then our ping goes to router 2, our trace route goes to router 2, and router 2 receive and give reply. And as you see here, here is the IP address of serial 00 interface, which is placed right from here. And then our trace route will go to router 3, and router 3 will give reply. And as you see here, the IP address of the router is 10.1.1 and 10, which belongs to router 3 interface S001. And then our trace route goes to final destination PC2, and PC2 gives reply. Well guys, this is how you can verify your IP addressing, like of IP version 4 and IP version 6, and this is how you can verify connectivity between your equipments by using ping tool, and also you can verify your pass from point A to point P by using a tool which is called a tracer. So see you again guys.